Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Lift the front arm of the wipers. To remove the blade, put pressure simultaneously on the studs located behind and on top of the arm. Once free, slide the wiper to the outside. To avoid any damage, put the arm delicately on the windscreen. Before you do this, place a paper towel to protect the glass. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. You will hear a click when the studs slot into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. To take the blade off, apply pressure with your thumbs to unclip the rubber wiper. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. Apply pressure to clip the wiper in place. Place the arm back gently. Operation completed.